It's cold here. You should wait till you reach the peak. Your punani is gonna fall off.
What the hell?
Good morning. Now we're at LA2. As always, Shai is late. Luckily, the train was on time. Yes. So
I was waiting for Andy.
Really? You drove past me, okay? You didn't even see me on the side of the road. Terrible, Shai. What kind of friend you are?
Nobody wanted
for light propulsion.
No. Shows is good to invest.
Dude,
So they want it.
Products.
I mean, and they would want it. They do the same kind of pen.
So we're continuing the vlogging series. I have no idea what to do or what to talk about, but as always, it's always Shai's fault. That's the
Why
theme
do you
of...
focus on Shai's fashion?
No, I just say it's his fault. Because he was late. Did you hear the story? What happened?
No, when?
He's like, oh, how do I get into your house? Do I need like a gate pass, blah, 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 blah. Then I told him like, hey. Okay, Shai, carbo loading. What is that, Shai? That's a donut or is that a kuih?
Peanut butter. Peanut butter and jelly and frosty chicken.
Frosty chicken. We're boarding the plane now because we got hot seats. Yeah! That's the benefit of checking in late. Yes, you are. Well, first passenger lah, not. Don't count the captain.
Pack your bags. I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me. Don't look back. I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see. We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time.
Alright, the hot seat crew is out first, obviously. Alright, crew, we just arrived. Say hello, say something. Let's all talk about why Shai is wearing a beanie and trying to look cool, but he's not.
It's a baby shark beanie.
They get it. Yo, I'm cool. I'm not cool.
That's very bad. That's so sad.
Yeah,
But didn't
this
you
is
wear it
like,
for-
you guys, I think you guys are too old.
Okay, they're gonna start arguing again now, so.
You're like some
Oh, wait, let me. Wait. No, I forgot.
The mountain is still hiding from us.
Wait, this one.
It's there somewhere, behind the clouds.
What is with everybody? Heavy.
What is with everybody with?
Yeah, and I don't want it to be
Heavy.
correct.
I bet so little things in my bag.
My bag is only half, you know.
Me too.
It's
My bag is.
empty.
Yes,
It's okay. I'll pass you some stuff you can carry for me.
No.
It's the lightest trip I've ever packed.
Oh my god, me
in
too.
life.
Me too.
Like I go Penang 2 days, one night, also more things.
More than
in
that.
bag.
big bag.
What's so weird?
So power situation?
Is something not working down here?
No, it's not working. Only the top one is working.
Dude, what are you working for like 80 minutes?
It's okay. I got quick charge. I'm almost done. Check out all our bladders for tomorrow.
Slow down.
Good morning. We're having our breakfast.
Cannot see, behind black. Behind is too bright.
Oh.
Yeah.
This is our splendid American breakfast. You ready? How we all feel?
Good.
Good, huh? Yeah. So apparently the organizers have very high expectations of us because Ian's dressed like a pro mountaineering.
Is it because of you?
I didn't do anything.
And showing them pictures of us rock climbing, and now they think we're pros. What the hell?
Later at 3 hour mark, we haven't committed. It's like, hello, you're pros, okay? 3 hours.
Yeah,
All right.
feel the pressure. Already.
Yeah, Ian. What are you wearing, Ian? Make Hacham proud, eh? Wow. Check one hand on his head also. Wow, Ramon student.
Kemana tu?
Okay lah, I made it.
Kemana jatuhnya buah kalau tak ke nasi?
Alright, we're gonna start the hike now, and as always, we have to wait for Gita. Gita's always late.
3
Alright.
hours then.
Oh, it's not the killing.
So yeah,
2016 though, son.
2 hours, 21 minutes, 33 seconds, up and down, and we're gonna do it in 2 days. Ian, the only thing that doesn't match the Ramon look is your backpack.
It's okay. I love it.
Wait. Pants, the way you walk also.
Yeah.
Wow, apprentice.
Seriously.
Mountain Guide akan menemani kamu untuk hari ini dengan besok. Nama saya sendiri Rafi Zam, kamu boleh panggil Zam saja. Dan ini dia lagi satu, Jimmy.
And so our journey begins. Kilometer down, another 5 to go.
I remember here. I remember here. I remember here. I remember here.
Okay lah. So we're almost 2 kilometers up, and well, the terrain is changing. Looking really nice and lush. Never hiked anything above 1,800 meters, so this is a very, very new experience. Look at that. And it's about to get steep again. So it started raining, so we had to wear jackets and pants. And we're sweating because it's hot inside, but makes a really nice scenery. Alright, can't see, there's water on the lens, but terrain has changed. We're now out of the, I'm not sure what they call it, the heavy dense forest. And now we're in the Ramon Hill. Ramon would know. Rain has stopped.
I wanna leave it all behind. Sailors, it's just you and I. Exploring hidden caves or surfing waves.
Made it. Made it to the base camp. Panalaban. Or Laban Rata. Fuck, I'm out of breath. Hopefully get some good rest and get something good to eat.
Like picture can't do this justice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at the clouds.
Actually, I'm also cold now because wow, I'm really covered. Wow, I'm really happy now.
Yeah.
Semua macam semalam dapat tidur.
Oh, enak sekali. No idea. It's okay. How is it, Ian?
Horrible.
You feel horrible?
Yeah, I can't really breathe.
It's okay. We're almost there. There's the peak. It's about another 300 meters to go. Almost vertical. We're ahead of schedule. The rest are still down there somewhere. We hope they're doing their best before the cutoff time.
the view. It's amazing we are going to the peak. So yeah. Maybe you can choose not to go up there.
Because the view is much better down here. And now, almost at the peak. I think it's about 100 meters to go. You can see last push is pretty steep. Yeah, it's a bit thin because even Ian is struggling today. He's behind there somewhere, coming up pretty slowly. But the views are magnificent. Look at that. Here's Ian making the last push. We have now within 1.5 meters of the peak. Yeah, we made it at the peak. Shai's there. Woohoo! Okay, come. Sorry guys, 1 minute. Careful, huh? The last step. We are hiking down. The 3 of us made it, as you saw just now. Now we are stopping every 5 minutes to take photos. Shai is taking selfies non-stop.
No, not selfie.
Sipping on tequila. Anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go. We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shine.
Our way down, 3.5 km. And it's still drizzling. But it's really nice. Because it's only drizzling. You can see the moss. Yeah, it's like protein filled. I dare you do it, come on man. Once in a lifetime, Ian, come on.
Yeah.
You gonna do it, right?
Yeah. Masuk dulu. Masuk ni dulu.
Ya, kena masuk lah.
Ambil ni ya.
Ambil lah.
Dia nak aku juga. Dia pun aku juga. Nanti dia gigit. Ayo. Kau nak lah.
Come on, Ian, you can do it.
I give up.
Try first.
Ya, try lah.
Be the bravest of all of us, Ian.
Tak nak. Dia comel sangat, tak boleh.
Dah minum-minum ni sudah, sikit jalan.
Tak cukup. Okay, momentum.
Ah, terosak dah.
Kau. Penisho. Sangkut lah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Masa lah dia.
Nak cari sabar girl kan? Kena nak buat betul.
Kena buat air, okay? Buat air.
Oh, tak pas. Try again. Oh, kalau kamera sudah stres ya. Relax.
Pelan-pelan bang, nanti tak boleh kahwin.
Jangan dia. Oh.
Tak apa lah, tak kahwin pun tak apa.
Tak boleh.
Okay, tak boleh kahwin, tak ada cukup lagu.
Okay lah.
My tropical love.